Okay, today I'm going to show you another way to subtract mixed numbers. Okay, so this way what we're going to do is we're going to pull down the whole numbers. We're not going to change them to improper fractions, but we're going to pull down the whole numbers. So we have 7 minus 1 plus 1/6. We're now taking out the fractions, minus 1/2. We have to be careful because this is subtraction. Okay, so first I solve my whole numbers. 7 minus 1 I know is 6, so I write 6 at the bottom with my fraction bar, so it's all ready for my answer. Now I have my fractions. I have 1/6 minus 1/2. I can do this two ways. I can butterfly, or I can find a common denominator. In this case, I know there's an easy common denominator, so I'm going to find a common denominator between 6 and 2. And that common denominator is 6. 6 times 1 equals 6, so 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 I know equals 6, so 1 times 3 equals 3. Okay? So now I subtract 1/6 minus 3/6, and you say, wait a minute, I can't do that. And you're right, I can't. Now, a lot of problems I would be able to do it, and I'd solve it, and I'd get my answer. But instead, I have to borrow a whole. So I have to change this 6 now to a 5. And I have to add to this 1/6 that whole. I'm going to borrow that as a 6/6 because I already have my denominator of 6, so we know that makes it easy. So I'm going to add 6/6 to the 1/6. So I end up with 7/6. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7. I have my denominator of 6's. And I'm going to then subtract out 3/6. Okay, so 7 minus 3 is 4, and I keep my 6 as my denominator. So my answer is 5 and 4, 6, or we could reduce by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and I'd get 2/3. So my final answer would be 5 and 2/3.